Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to turn on repair mode in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we're looking for settings. Then in settings we need to scroll all the way down to the system and update menu, and here we have repair mode. So when we open this option here, we have explanation what does this option do, how does it work. And first of all we have to firstly we need to set up our screen lock. I have mine, so we can enter repair mode, and if we tap this option here we have our secret super password, and now we can enter repair mode. So right now we are entering repair mode and the phone will restart, and when it wake up it will be in repair mode.